Hello everyone, hello ma'am. I am Alea Bernadette B. Santa Cruz and I will be reporting the 3 different processes left in acting process. As a stage performer, it's essential to understand how your character connects to the play's overall theme and storyline. You should also recognize the importance of your role, whether you are the protagonist, antagonist, or a supporting character, as this affects how you perform on stage. By researching how your character talks, moves, reacts, and expresses emotions, you can portray them more convincingly. The more attention and effect you give to studying and embodying your character, the more effective and believable your performance will be, leading to greater success as an actor. So this process explains that a good stage performer doesn't just memorize lines. They deeply understand their character's purpose in the story. This means knowing how the character fits into the play's theme and how their actions affect the plot. Whether you play the main role, the villain, or a side character, understanding your character's motivations, emotions, and mannerisms helps make your performance more realistic and engaging. For example, if you're playing Romeo in Romeo and Juliet, you should study how to feel about love, loyalty, and faith. So fifth, we have the understanding subtext. Subtext is the hidden or deeper meaning behind a character's spoken lines. While the playwright provides the words, it is the actor's jobs to uncover and express what lies beneath them. It's not just about what is said, but how it's said and delivered to the audience. The actor's actions, emotions, and thoughts, often unspoken, bring this meaning to life. In simple terms, subtext is reading between the lines, revealing the character's true feelings and motivations, whether emotional or psychological. So this means that the subtext is the hidden meaning or true feelings behind what a character says, which the actor must show through tone, actions, and expression. For example, when a character says, "I'm fine," but looks sad and avoids eye contact, the subtext shows they're actually hurt or upset. As an actor, you must understand that producing a play involves teamwork. Even as in a small production, many people work behind the scenes, each with an important role. Knowing your responsibilities as an actor and how your work connects with others helps ensure the play's success. Remember, being on stage doesn't make you more important than those behind the curtain. Everyone's contribution matters equally. Theater is a collaborative art, and recognizing your role within the whole production is key to creating a successful performance. So it explains that theater is a team effort. Every person, whether on stage or behind the scenes, plays an important part in making a play successful. Actors must respect and cooperate with everyone involved, from directors to crew members. For example, if an actor forgets their cue and doesn't coordinate with the lighting or sound crew, the scene might fail. But when everyone works together, the actor delivers lines on time, and the crew adjusts lights and sound perfectly, the performance becomes smooth and effective. And that's all my report. Thank you and God bless.